When a word is misspelled, Apple will assist you. Just as seen in other programs, the word will be underlined in red. Tap the word once to see a suggested list. Tap the correct spelling and it will be replaced on your screen. Now, when it comes to actually typing, one key technique is not to worry too much about the mistakes you are making. As long as you are getting close to the correct letters, in many cases, mistakes will be auto-corrected. This feature is known as predictive typing. As you are typing, if the word is spelled closely to the correct format, when you tap the spacebar, it will automatically be corrected. So, rule of thumb, always proofread your text because the Apple iOS may have misunderstood what you actually meant.